Prepare yourself for another exciting trading and investing and learning video. This is going to be a good one, so stay to the end so you can learn. Hey, all my friends, relatives, and cousins. Today, I wanted to share with you a little bit about what I traded and how I traded last week. And since I'm recording this video over the weekend, this is a perfect time for you guys to take a look at it and then determine what you're going to do and have your setups ready for the next week. So if you're looking at my charts right now, I'm pointing the top chart is a 10-minute chart. The bottom chart is a 30-minute chart. Now, this is exactly what I did last week. I did not have any losing days last week. I may have had a losing trade and got out real quick, but by the end of the day, or by the end of my trading session, when I was finished trading, I came out positive. So this is exactly what I'm showing you. You can set up your charts this way if you'd like to. I'm not telling you what to trade, how to trade, and so forth, but I want to give you a strategy that you can use. Now, on this bottom chart right here that I'm pointing to, you can see it's a 30-minute chart. So that means that each one of these bars is 30 minutes. If you notice this black area here, this was last Thursday. So I had the chart, I had a box drawn in on Thursday. So by the end of Thursday or during the Thursday session, I could see whether or not the market was going up or whether it was going down. So this was Thursday's box. And the way you put in a box, let me try to show you guys real quick, is you would go over here to add drawing, and then you would go up here to this little box and you would put in the box. Since my box is already there, I'm not going to do it again, but I wanted to show you where to go to get your box, and you can make that box any color you like. So I had this box in here. This was Thursday, the black area. This was the overnight session, this gray area. And as you can see, as we came into Friday, all overnight, it was going up higher. So it was going up higher here. So this is where the market opened. So I was looking right here, and based on what we're looking at, all of you now should know from my previous videos that I'm only looking at calls, because as the market opened, the price was above my 9-period moving average, above the 20-period, this blue line moving average, and way above the 200-period moving average that was down here. So I'm looking for nothing but calls. So now I go back up and look at my 10-minute chart, the 10-minute, and this is again where it's opening up. So that's why I have the two charts. 10 minutes kind of can get me into the market, tells me how to get in and when to get in a little bit better than looking solely at the 30-minute chart down here. So here I have this little dotted line right here. And I said after the first 10 minutes, this is from 8:30 to 8:40. If it goes higher than this dotted line or higher than the first 10 minutes, I'm getting in. And sure enough, here is where I got into the market and bought a call options. Over here, you can see my active trader ladder. So this is where I actually get in. And then, of course, you can put in the number of contracts you want to purchase, whether it be one, whether it be two, whether it be four, whether it be 10. You put in the number of contracts that you want to buy. But this is where I got in. And this was the purple box. This is the purple box. And you see it rode all the way up to a high again of 712. Now, I did not stay in the whole time. I rode it up and took profits around in here or close to in here. So this is where my profit area was. Now, just showing you guys, you can see that you can stay in longer. You can take your profits. You can have more contracts Sell some of the contracts, keep other contracts as runners so you even make more money. But the purpose of this video today is to show you the strategy. As you see here, I'm back down here on the 30-minute chart. And as you see from Thursday to Friday, I already knew it was coming out of the last purple box and it was going higher. So I did not have to guess as to whether or not I was going to take calls or puts, whether or not I thought the market was going to go up or whether it was going to go down. It was pretty obvious. Of course, we never know for sure, but from this, it was pretty obvious that the market was going to go up. So I bought calls, and this is where it was. So now I'm lined up for the next week, which will be over here to my right. This is where we're lined up, and we'll see whether or not where the market opens up on Monday. But I'm prepared to go again for another profitable week next week. So I hope this video has been helpful. Please like, please share it. Please press that bell notification so you get these videos as soon as I put them out. And like I said, please share these, hit that little thumbs button. Let me know that at least these videos have been helpful. And then again, take a few minutes to share these videos with other people that are looking for other ways to make money from the comfort of their home or wherever they happen to be in the world. So thanks again for watching. Have a good weekend, a great trading week next week. And as a side note, as you can see, the market has been making all-time highs during this last week. So it could be due for a pullback and we do go for puts next week, or it could continue higher next week. We just have to wait to see what happens. Have a great weekend. Thanks again for watching and look for a new video coming out soon.